Thank you very much. Hello, everyone. Most of you are developers. I'm not a developer. I'm an infrastructure guy. So why I'm here? First of all, I'm here because it's an exciting event, and it's amazing for me to listen to talks from the other speakers and the discussions in the break. But that's not the main reason. The main reason is that I think we have to work together, infrastructure and development, on projects. And I think also it's necessary to know from each other and understand each other. I have divided my presentations in two parts. I think the most important thing is for you, if you're here as a business developer in an enterprise context. So it's a difference between you make apps for a consumer world or for the enterprise context. I've divided the part in my presentations in two parts: platforms and life cycles. And the second one deals with the topic app security. Let's start with the first one. Business apps became very popular in the last 3 years. That's also my experience in our company, and I think that digitalization drives this fast forward. According to this graph, the category business is, after games, the second most important. And I think that's a great opportunity for you as developers. Why platforms and the lifecycle are so important for us in a big company and other companies? First of all, we have to support it. We have to support the operating system, we have to support the hardware, and so on. For example, you want to develop an app who needs a new operating system version. For example, there are new features in it. We have to support this, and our management software has to support this. It's also important that you have a multi or a single platform strategy, or you bring your own device in your company, or you offer company-owned devices for the users. But you have also here to clarify the support process behind of it. And last but not least, we have to manage the devices, the security, and the data privacy behind of it. And we have to guarantee the security and the data privacy. This brings me to my next and second part in the presentation, to the app security. If you're developing business apps in an enterprise context, you should know the following methods and trends at the moment. What we do and why we do it. At the moment, we check the app security with special app reputation software products to inform us and analyze the apps that we get the information how the apps work and what they do. To illustrate this, let's have a closer look to the next slide with some examples. The first app is an airline app. It's an older version on the platform Android. It's from the Scandinavian airline. We have a lot of data transmission from this app with a lot of fields. Most of them are encrypted, but one field is unencrypted. That's the credit card information. And I think that's necessary to know. It's not only in a container. The app transmits data. The next one is in current version from a football club in Germany. On the platform iOS, same situation, a lot of fields, a lot of servers, a lot of countries where the server based, and 2 fields called password. And 1 is unencrypted. The next example is a music app. It's based on Android. Same situation, a lot of data, a lot of fields. But why a music app needs the location data of the user? That could be a problem, for example, in the public sector, if the user is a politician or it's a board member in a company, he's trackable or she's trackable. Last but not least, a well-known company and well-known app, Booking.com, on iOS, a version from 2016. It's also important where the data will be sent to, in which countries we have the data transmission. In this example, we have a data transmission to China. Maybe it's a problem, it's a data privacy problem, it's a trust topic, etc. And it's also important to know the history of the apps. It could be that the app fulfill your criteria in the 1 version, and in the version 2, for example, we have problems. Well, this brings me to the end of the presentation. I hope you enjoy it. If you have questions, please let me know or contact me later. I am also on the social media platforms, Twitter, LinkedIn, Xing, etc. Thank you very much. Enjoy the evening, enjoy the party after and the second conference day.